my Las Vegas studio. We're so lucky to be here. I was actually fortunate to have this small studio behind my gallery in Aria in Las Vegas, and usually I paint in my big warehouse in California, in Palm Springs area, but when I'm in Las Vegas, I have this small place where I can make mid-sized paintings. Usually if I work on really large-scale projects, I really need a huge warehouse, but when I do some custom work and I'm already in Vegas, this is the place. So today I will be working on splashing these small toys, fun toys for toy collection, and I'll be working on painting of lips. There is a prep work for me already ready. I'll be putting it on this table. You can see it's all splattered with paint because there's a lot of work all the time going on. Sometimes there are cartons. I try not to put paint all around, but it just happens. I'm all in paint. I'll be putting all my colorful shoes right now because I don't want my regular clothes to get dirty. Let's get it started. Usually I paint it on the table, but we're here like in almost camping conditions. Like I think I started and painted on the floor, but then I realized it's too much going up and down, so I painted on the table. But right now table is occupied by larger painting, that's why we're working on the floor. So this, I layer color after color. It's important not to add too much color right away, and because there are a variety of colors, have to be conscious not to add too much blue to blue sculptures. Next color will go with green. I feel like the red is so important color. I like it to be on top because it really adds the pop of color. So I'll go with red with the last one. Let's see, the thickness of the paint is so important. We'll see if this one will work because it's a little bit like thicker green. I'll see. Actually, yes, it's nice. The consistency gives very nice thin kind of lines on the artwork. So it's really cool. This is toy collection. It's fun sculptures. I really just add a touch of my paint on top of it. A lot of collectors like small pieces. I do lollipops and popsicles, and this is cool, very easy, just addition for some starting collectors to have some little piece of art in their home and collection. How did I choose these kind of toys? You can see the balloon dogs. You can see a lot of them actually on the market. Originally, of course, they're inspired by Jeff Koons. Everybody knows this, but it's interesting that it's a public knowledge. Anybody can use balloon dog because Jeff Koons had a lawsuit at some point. He argued that it's his sculpture and everybody copies him everywhere. But he did not win this case because balloon dog, it's a public knowledge and anybody can use it. So I have it also, but I use it as a canvas for me to paint and to add like my own touch. I'm adding this red color. I feel like it's adding a really nice touch on top of the different layers. I think it's very strong accent. Creating art like we're doing it right now, it doesn't really take so much time, like if you guys see. And ultimately, I think I choose something that is fun. I think it's the best to find something that you love. I feel very satisfied in the end of the day when I finish painting because something new is created. The day didn't pass simply, routinely. I created something new, and then this painting gonna get to happy collector who will really appreciate it and will love this piece in his home. So you've seen how I work on these colors. If you guys have any comments, if you like me to add another color, just comment and we'll work on it.